Jikijela Mkhonto, Jikijela. Kwaza Mkhonto, Kwaza. Long live President Jacob Zuma, long live. Long live President Jacob Zuma, long live. Long live, long live. Long live, long live. Long live, long live. Mandla. Comrades, egama uMthobisi, G-Force, Kanyasha Msabunga Madla Dlamini. I happen to be the national coordinator of Umkhonto Wesizwe Student Movement. Sizothanda ukubingelela on behalf of abafundi. City protocol is observed, comrades, because kune issue isikhathi. But comrades, because we are here and we are here to give a message of support, comrades, we want to let you know, all of you comrades here, that this government hates us, comrades. This government, comrades, iyabazonda abantu abamnyama. Bahlezi bekhuluma bethi bafuna ukulwisa icrime. Kodwa bayishiya i-unemployment. Sila comrades of the MK party because asisebenzi, and uma umuntu engasebenzi into elandelayo ubugebengu. So njengoba sila comrades sokumemezela ukuthi uCyril akahambe. Uma enikezwe ithuba lokuthi asuse uSenzomchunu umfaka kwi-leave, we need to let you know comrades ukuthi uSenzomchunu usahola, and uGwede Mantashe uyahola naye futhi uholela uminister of police. So kudlalwa ngathi comrades thina singasebenzi banikezana ikhundla bahola kaningi laba bantu comrades. So kumele sinitshele comrades ukuthi lo hulumeni we-GNU awusifuni comrades, and the comrades thina njengabantu abamnyama sikho angry enough. Badlala ngathi comrades thina siyathula. So sekuyisikhathi comrades ukuthi masibuyele emakhaya njengamanje umuntu nomuntu enze sure ukuthi uconcertizer umakhelwane wakhe. Uma siphuma next time comrades dinga uba triple the number that we are here, because no government ungeke uzusizwe comrades uma ukuthi siyakwazi ukuphuma endlini sizoshiya abantu. Sikhathele comrades lo hulumeni odla wodwa. Kuyimanje comrades banikeze intombi zabo amathenda ka nutrition. Uthola ukuthi kune company esebenza amathenda ama-million. Iphinde izodla le mali encane ka nutrition okuphakela izikole comrades. So uma uthi siyabayeka comrades, we don't mobilize enough, sizoba nenkinga comrades. We are not going to get the student majority. Comrades of the MK party lana eThekwini sifuna uku-assurisha ukuthi njengoba i-MKSM yakuma-SRC elections, we are going to deliver these SRC elections, comrades. But the only way for us to deliver these SRC elections is for you comrades to be closer to us, because when we win these SRC elections, kula madolopha lawa hleli labafundi lababala, these are the same people that are going to vote for the MK party come 2026, 2027. So it becomes our responsibility then, students, to make sure ukuthi masuka la we are going to mobilize all students and we are going to win all SRC elections. Down with Cyril, down. Down Cyril, down. Die GNU, die. Mandla.